Good afternoon guys, it's James. Today we have been working on a little Q2. It's a 2017 and this has come into us in a beautiful metallic blue colour, wanting front and rear optical factory sensors. So the rear sensors, bumper comes off, all gets new holes fitted and new sensors fitted, whereas the front is a little bit different. Quite a lot of a disassembly of the front bumper, a whole new grille panel at the front for the central sensors, and a whole new grille assembly on the left and right for the fronts, especially this car doesn't have fog lights. So you've got the motorized screen similar to the Audi A3 and a lot of the other newer models, and this new type of high-res display with the split screen that we're seeing quite a lot now. Because this car doesn't have the factory rear view camera, when you put the car into reverse like so, you get the parking guide as a split screen option up on the right hand side. If you had the rear view camera, you would get the other side populated, but it's there to give you access to the other side of the screen in case you listen to radio or other bits and pieces. I don't know, I quite like it. I quite liked having the whole screen dedicated to the parking sensors, but either way it works fine. You've also then got the moving guidelines, so let me just start the engine, pop it into reverse. Providing the handbrake is off, you get your moving guidelines like so. It just shows the trajectory and also shows you whether your steering wheel is straight, because it could look straight but your wheels could be one way to the left or right. And then when you pop it into drive like so, the trajectory lines again move forward. Now the little button up here, if you move the toggle switch, which is the big wheel, actually in this car if you move it to the right it gives you the options. Activate automatically will allow you to use the function if you're quite close to vehicles at front, traffic lights, etc, etc, or if it annoys you, you can simply turn it off, and then you get the front and rear volume and the entertainment fader, whether you want that on or off or whatever, it is up to you. So that's just a quick click to the right and that removes it. Pop it into reverse like so, that's neutral. Pop it into reverse like so, and you will get the sensors. So just reverse up to something. Okay, you can hear the sensors exactly the same as you would do with any other normal genuine factory system from Audi and Volkswagen, and the two outside sensors have got a little bit of a shorter range there. So this is a 2017 Audi Q2 front and rear optical parking sensors with the new switch at the front here which gets replaced. And again, you don't have to have the vehicle in gear to activate those sensors, you can just press the button as well. If you want to know more, or you've got a car like this and you want optical parking sensors that are genuine with 2 years warranty, get in touch with us. It's Advanced In Car, and that's www.advanced-incar.co.uk.